Good morning students. Welcome to online teaching session of Academic World School, Viii-Mathematics. This is the 8th lecture of chapter 2 linear equation in one variable. So till now we have learned different concepts, how to solve equations and its application. This is today's lecture is related to the application of linear equation in one variable. So what we have learned, for the application of linear equation in one variable, that concept only we are going to use to solve this question. So today's question is, Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms, shirt material and that cost him rupees 50 per meter, and trouser materials, that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600 rupees. How much trouser materials did he buy? How much trouser material did he buy? So what I had discussed in my previous lectures, to solve the application-based question of linear equation in one variable, that concept only we are going to use here. So what we have learned, the first step is to read the question and to find out what is given and what is to be found. So what we see here after reading the question, that what is given here, the cost of 1 meter of shirt material and the cost of 1 meter of trouser material. Then it's given that one condition is given, which is very important to solve this question, that for every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. Means if he buys 3 meters of the shirt material, then he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. Then next, he sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. In shirt materials he sells at the profit of 12%, and trouser materials he sells at the profit of 10%. Right. Then his total sale means after selling how much he gets? He gets 36,600 rupees. So we have to find here that how much trouser materials did he buy? How much trouser materials did he buy? So see the first condition, that the shirt materials that cost him rupees 50 per meter and the trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. Then for every 3 meters this condition, using this condition we are going to write this condition and this condition. Using these two conditions we are going to write the mathematical statement, which is an important part of application based question. So see that for every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. So here we assume let he buys, let he buys, this is just solution, let he buys shirt material equal to how much? 3x meter. 3x meters shirt material he buys, and he buys trouser materials how much? Trouser materials 2x meters. So from this condition, using this condition, made this statement that he buys shirt material equal to 3x meter and he buys trouser materials equal to 2x meter. Now, so we will find the cost of, okay, the cost of 1 meter of shirt material is given and the cost of 1 meter of trouser material is given. So we will find the cost of 3x meter of shirt material and the cost of 2x meter of trouser material. So we write here cost of 3x meters of shirt material will be, so cost of 1 meter is 50 rupees, so cost of 3x meter is 50 into 3x, which will be rupees 150x. Same cost of 2x meter of trouser material, that will be cost of 1 meter is 90 rupees. Okay, cost of 1 meter is 90 rupees, so cost of 2x meter is 90 into 2x, which is rupees 180x, right? Now see that. Now we will use this part, okay, this part to form, okay, further mathematical statement. Then using the last part, we will form equation. So it sells the materials at 12%. Okay, means here this is the total selling price. You need to understand this 36,600 is the total selling price. Okay, and the profit is 12%. Right. So we need to find the selling price of each of the material. Okay, so we write here selling price of shirt at 12% profit. Okay, so we know the formula to calculate the selling price, which is 100 plus profit by 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into C. Right? You see that profit percentage is here 12%, so 100%, 100 plus 12 upon 100, and the cost of material is, the CP is how much? 150x, so 150x we write here. Okay, so if we calculate this, so it will be 100 upon 12 into 100 to 150x. This will cancel. Okay, and 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are, and this will be, we cancel with the 2, 5 2s are 2 5s are 10 and 2 6, so 12, and so 56 into 3x, which will be 168x. Okay, that will be in the rupees. So rupees 168x is the selling price of the shirt material. Same, we find the selling price of trouser at 10% profit. You see that? The same formula we are going to use here, so I will not write the formula again. So this will be 100 plus profit is 10, so 10 upon 100 in CP of trouser material is 180x, so 180x, right? So this will be 110 upon 100 into 180x, so 0 0 cancel, this 0. If we multiply 11 and 18x, this will give us 198x. Okay, so this will be rupees 198x. Now the total selling price is 36,600. So using this condition, we are going to form the equation. So we write here according to question. Cost selling price of trouser, selling price of shirt plus selling price of trouser is how much? 36,600. So the selling price of shirt is how much? Rupees, we write just 168x plus 198x, which is 36,000. Okay, 36,600. Now we got the equation here. Now let us solve this equation. So if we solve this equation, we will get, if we add these two, we will get 336x, which is equal to 36,600. Therefore, x equal to 36,600 divided by 366. If you cancel this, okay, so what we will get? 100 we will get. Okay. So here x equal to, we got 100, right? So now we will find how much the shirt material or how much the trouser material is bought. Okay. So trouser material he bought. Trouser material he buys equal to how much? 2x. So 2x, x is how much? 100. So 2 into 100, which will be 200 meters. Okay. So he bought how much trouser material? 200 meters trouser material he bought. Again, you can find the how much shirt material he bought. Okay. So it's a very clear. Just form the statement. Then with the help of statement, you form the equation. And after getting the equation, you solve the equation and you get the required values. Right? So it's a very simple way to do this kind of question. Okay, fine. So we'll move to the next example. The next example is a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than, her. Find their present age. Okay. So for this question, I will just form the equation. Okay. I will just form the equation. You will solve the equation and you will verify the result. Right. So see that. How here. So what is given here? The first thing is given that grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Then here another statement is given that he is 54 years older than her. Okay. So using this first statement, we are going to write mathematical statement, and using the second sentence, we are going to form equation. See that. So we assume here let the present age of granddaughter equal to x years. Okay, if the present age of granddaughter is x years, so what will be the present age of grandfather because he's 10 times older. So the present age okay, so the present age of grandfather will be, so since X years and since he is 10 times older, so the grandfather age will be 10x. Right. Now let's come to the next part of the sentence. This is the condition. So he is also 50 years old. Now this 10x is 54 more than x. 10x is 54 more than x. So how we are going to form the equation? So to equate them what we are doing. Since this one is 54 more, so either we add 54 in this or we subtract 54 from this one. Right? So any other thing we can do, so according to the question. Okay. So I am going to add 54 in x. Okay. So x plus 54 equal to 10x. This is the equation. You solve the equation and get their present ages, right? So let's see the next example. Next example is Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So find their present ages. The same thing I am going to do here also. Okay. I am going to write the equation for this. Okay. And then you will solve the equation and you will get the required value. Right? So Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Okay. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Right. So see that. So we will assume here, let son's age equal to x years. So the Aman's age will be equal to 3 times. So 3x years. Now 10 years ago. So we will find the ages of the sons and Amans. Okay, 10 years ago. So 10 years ago, okay, son's age equal to 10 years ago. So what will be the age 10 years ago? X minus 10 years. Right. And the Aman's age will be, let us 3x minus, that will be 3x minus 10 years. See, this thing I have already told. When there is a term above, we have to subtract, and when there is a term after, we have to add. Okay? So now, so we got the 10 years ago, the ages of sons and the Amans. Then see that 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Hence this 3x minus 10 is 5 times of x minus 10. 3x minus 10 is 5 times of x minus 10. So what we will do? How we will equate them? So see that this one is 5 times greater than this x minus 10. So what we need to do? So either we multiply 5 in x minus 10 or we divide 3x minus 10 by 5. Okay, any of the thing you can do. So we write here according to question. So we multiply 5 in x minus 10. So x minus 10 into 5 equal to 3x minus 10. Okay, I'll simplify it. 5x minus 50 equal to 3x minus 10. Then this minus 50 will come this side and 3x will go that side. So 5x minus 3x equal to minus 10 plus 50. 5x minus 3x will be 2x equal to 40. Now hereafter you will solve the equation and you will get the ages of Aman and his sons. Right. So this is how we approach application based question of linear equation in one variable. Okay. So I hope these are very clear for you. Okay. Kindly go through the assignments. Okay. If you practice more and more, you will be able to do it properly. Practice more, you will find each and every question very easy. And please watch this video, okay, which will be very useful to solve the assignment. The assignment related to this topic is uploaded on the ERP. Okay, I have already messaged you through the ERP that it is very important to do the assignment. So kindly download the assignment, do it, and then send me through the ERP. Thank you.